Hi guys, I'm here with another question. The question is configure Autofs and the first pass is saying all LDAP user home directory is exported via NFS. So this home directory is configured on a server which is known as LDAP server, and you know the concept of LDAP server and LDAP client. I'm not going into that detail. So then that server name is given here, utility.example.com, and its IP is given, and it could be different in your real-time exam scenario. I have just put it uh, just to make you understand that if you come across this kind of question, how you have to address it. And with this shared home directory, which is our home, is shared with the client LDAP server using NFS. Okay, so it says that second part LDAP home directory is this, and LDAP home directory should have auto mounted AutoFS service. So AutoFS service will help to auto mount it automatically. Okay, home directories must be writable by their user, and while you are able to log into in any of the user, the like remote user 1 through remote user 20, it means there are 20 remote user have been configured on LDAP server. The only home directory that is accessible from your system is remote user 1. So you only have to mount this user home directory. Okay, this is what he is saying. I have put a note here. Sometime in the question they asked that the version of NFS has been used, which is version 3. If this kind of thing is asked in the are given in the exam, so what you will have to do, I will show you. Okay, so I just wanna take you to the machine, and when you go to machine, you just have to run this command first, and i'm I'm going to show you that you just have to install these packages. And here I want to tell you one thing. NFS util is optional. You It's better you install this package also alongside AutoFS. Sometime it doesn't work, so in that case you have to install this NFS hyphen util also. So better you install it. And once you install these packages, there are two files created. One is known as uh, slash etc auto.master and slash etc auto.misc. So what you have to do, you have to put entry, uh, which entry I tell you, that the shared directory, the which is on your LDAP server. So you have to put the entry of that directory here, and I just put hit the insert. This is here, who have to put the name of your home directory. In our case it is our home. And the next path, it says that, oh, where you want to mount that slash sc auto.misc. We don't know. We said we don't know, but we will put the entry in this file, which is slash sc slash auto.misc. Okay, the entry we will put in this file. You have to mount that thing, that path, to this our home uh, folder. Okay, and this is what we are gonna tell to this. And after putting this, we have to just save it. And once we save it, next we what we'll do, we will put this, okay, entry into this file. So we are gonna go to this file, and here, you come down here and put insert. And what you can do, you can see the here example is given. You can see there here is a read and read only permission, but we have to give read and write. You can copy from here, or you can write by yourself. So which user we have been asked to mount, this is the username. It's already given here, right? So it will be given in your exam scenario. So this user we have to put there, and copy this, and here you have to put this user name. And then next what you have to do, because I just tell you that what you have to do, as you can see here, it says that home directories must be writable by their user. So we have to put permissions for this mount. Okay, so we are putting read and write. And soft mean, I mean, it's creating soft link between LDAP user and LDAP client. And intr is an attribute. You do not pay much attention to this. It's just an attribute. Just memorize it to put it here. And it's just an attribute which is used for auto mounting. Okay, just remember this thing only. And put this entry here. Okay, so this is the full path. This is the LDAP server, and then this is the share folder. You have to put share folder name here, and which user you want to mount, you have to give the name of the user. Once this is done, you just have to save this file. And after this, you have to do one thing. What's next? You have to restart the Autofs service. So run this command so that the service is restarted. Okay, so you did this, and at the same time you have to enable it so that it should remain boot persistent. I mean, if uh, your machine is rebooted, in that case uh, it should be working. So after using this, doing all these steps, what you can do, you can switch over to this user. But in our case, I just want to explain here, because we don't have configured LDAP server and LDAP client, because I just wanted to show how you can uh, solve this question in your real-time exam scenario. Over there, LDAP server and client, LDAP client will already be configured. You don't have to configure there. But in our home practice, we don't have this. So I'm just showing you that what you will do. Okay, but if you want to, you know how to configure LDAP server and LDAP client, you Google it, and you can configure those server, and then you can do this. But in my case, I'm just showing you this. Once you are done all this step with, then you have to switch over to this user. Once you switch over to this user, you will it should show up like this: remote user 1 at node 2. Node 2, in my case, it could be any server name in your exam scenario. Then this tilde sign, and then this dollar sign should show up. Okay, and once it's there, you will do pwd. You should have a path like this: one sorry, slash r home slash remote user 1. Okay, once this is done, you just exit from this user, and you'll be back on root. And when you run this command, df space hyphen h capital T, you should have entry like this. You should have entry like this. But yeah, in our case, because we don't have this, so we cannot have this kind of entry. I'm just showing you for example. And uh, that's it. And one more thing, yeah, it will be entry will be like this. I can give you the whole path. I think I missed one thing here. And it should be like slash slash r home re slash home remote user 1. You can have entry like this. Okay, once you have this kind of entry, it means you have correctly solved the question. And that's it for this question. And I'll see you in another video for another question. Okay, until then, bye.